For long, healthy, shiny, and dandruff-free hair, try this powerful Ayurvedic hair mask made with natural ingredients. It nourishes the scalp, strengthens hair, and eliminates dandruff effectively. Ingredients: 1. Aloe Vera Gel 2 tablespoons, deep conditioning, fights dandruff. 2. Coconut oil 2 tablespoons, promotes growth, adds shine. 3. Castor oil 1 tablespoon, thickens hair, prevents breakage. 4. Yogurt 2 tablespoons, moisturizes, removes dandruff. 5. Fenugreek Seeds Powder, Methi, 1 tablespoon, reduces dandruff, boosts growth. 6. Amla Powder, Indian Gooseberry, 1 tablespoon, strengthens roots, prevents hair fall. 7. Honey 1 teaspoon, adds shine, locks in moisture. 8. Lemon juice 1 teaspoon, eliminates dandruff, balances scalp pH, preparation and application. 1. Mix all the ingredients in a bowl until a smooth paste is formed. 2. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair, focusing on the roots. 3. Leave it on for 45 minutes to 1 hour. 4. Wash off with a mild sulfate-free shampoo. 5. Apply this mask twice a week for best results. Additional tips for healthy hair. Checkmark: oil your hair before every wash with a mix of coconut, castor, and olive oil. Checkmark: use a silk pillowcase to prevent hair breakage. Checkmark: drink plenty of water and eat protein-rich foods for internal nourishment. Checkmark: avoid heat styling and harsh chemicals that damage hair. This remedy will help you achieve strong, long, silky, and dandruff-free hair naturally. Herb sparkles.